What's up guys, so let's talk about the interstate battle between City 39 and City 366, and I will be showing you some battle reports as I talk about this. But man, that was a great battle, and this was what we were waiting for. One of the strongest city in the game going against each other at their full power. And man, I was not disappointed from this at all. We haven't seen City 39 fighting in a very long time. And I don't even remember when the last time they go all out. Perhaps never before yesterday. And there's a very good reason for this. Not a lot of cities in the game that can challenge them. But now we had a city that can rival them, and that's City 366. And I will be lying if I will say that I was expecting City 39 to win. I was thinking they have not fight in a very long time, so maybe their strategy is not that great, so they won't be winning from 366. But I was wrong. City 39 entered this battle with a full game plan, and this just shows their coordination was on point, their strategy was on point, timing, everything was perfect. City 39 was at their absolute best in this battle, and City 366 was also very good. I was expecting more from them. Honestly, I think their coordination was off. Sometimes they were fighting, then in between they stop and they start to fight again. I think they did not really prepare for this battle properly, and that can happen when you recently merged, because there is a lot of big clans in this city, so perhaps a problem in their coordination, and City 39 took advantage of this. And most of the time Yummy was the one who was holding the center, and the only one who can challenge him from City 366 was Boss, and Boss was the one who was challenging or rivaling Yummy in this battle. Not just Yummy guys, V-Rod, Grizzly, all the players was doing a lot better than the players in the 366. I think that's the problem with them. Their coordination was a little bit off, but that's okay guys. I think they have learned a lot from this battle, and next time they are going to be even more dangerous. But the only problem I see in 366 was that they did not prepare this as well as City 39 did. And it was amazing guys to watch this battle finally after a very long time. So congratulations to City 39 and props to City 366 for trying their best. I think next time they can even do better, perhaps even defeat City 39. Who knows guys, anything can happen in this game. So I was wrong. I was thinking that City 366 is the strongest city in the game, but we have a lot of things to talk about in our strongest city list after the migration. So you guys let me know your thoughts in the comment section below, and like and subscribe. I'll see you in the next. Peace.